What would you do if you saw this walking outside your door? That's exactly what happened to a couple who had been woken by their dogs constantly barking. Concerned there may be someone outside their house, they went to check their Ring doorbell camera, and this is what they saw. A translucent figure walks from one side of the path to the other. As soon as it's gone, the dogs stop barking. They're completely dumbfounded and stressed. There was no one they could see outside. What do you think? Optical illusion or something supernatural? Tell me your thoughts in the comments.